Hey everyone, it's GQ. I'm here in the city of La Puente, California at GQCuts. I just received the care package that I want to share with you, and it's a collaboration, this partnership between Johnny B Hair Care and Stylecraft, and it's going to be available for you. So let's dive right in. So we're here at my workstation. I wanted to do the unboxing where I normally am behind the chair. First, I want to thank the team, always taking the time to write a personalized letter. I already read it, but this is just kind of describing what's on here and are inside the box and also thanking us. But first I want to start with the Johnny B products. If you do not have an apron, we have a denim apron that's customizable. The fit is amazing. I already have one, but I'm glad I got a new one because I've been taking mine on the road and I could use a new one. And then also we have new cutting cape colors, a different color scheme. If you don't already use our cutting capes, just try one. It has an elastic neckband. There's metal hooks. It's so breathable. You can throw it in the wash and just let it air dry. So what do you think? Dark denim, easy to put on. There's a ring to throw a towel in there, but what's really important about this apron is there's a flap above the pocket, so that way at the end of the working day, you don't have hair all in the pockets. So this is one of the latest cape designs. Like I told you, it has an elastic neckband and hooks so you can customize the fit. What you're seeing is the design work from an artist, and it's actually capturing all the boxes of the pomades that we have now. We've redesigned the packaging, so you'll see that on the shelves, but you'll see this on the chair. So next up, we have two items that I received from Stylecraft. The first is their new electric razor, which is the Metal Edition Instinct. And if you like the preference of weight, it has a full body metal casing to it. That's my preference. And if you're at the station and you like to have a stand, it does come with that as well. What's also cool, it has a universal USB-C rechargeable cord. So lastly, it's what all the hype is all about, the newest blow dryer from Stylecraft, which is called the Silver Bullet. This is pretty cool because it already comes with two nozzles as like director when you're doing blow dries, and then a diffuser if you're doing a lot of curly hair. What is so great about it, it's very lightweight, it's quiet, and it has a turbo booster, so you can pump up the speed if you need to. Thank you so much, Johnny B Hair Care and Stylecraft. I am grateful that you took the time to send over these new items and that I get to be one of the first to use them. Everyone that's watching, these will be available to you. Stay tuned to see what else is to come. And I hope you enjoy using these tools just as much as I will be.